Look at the pictures of some famous superlatives of India, identify them, and write their names with the help of clue box. Largest Gurudwara, Golden Temple, Amritsar. Second one, largest lake, Ular Lake, Jammu Kashmir. Number 3, longest river bridge, Bandra Worli Sea Link. Number 4, largest cave temple, Ellora, Maharashtra. Number 5, longest river, Ganga. 6, highest mountain peak, Sikkim. Longest dam, Hirakund Dam, Odisha. Next, number 8, highest tower, Qutub Minar, Delhi. Number 9, largest mosque, Jama Masjid, Delhi. Next, largest desert, Thar Desert in Rajasthan. Number 6, highest mountain peak, Kanchenjunga, Sikkim. Next lesson, traffic signs and signals. Page number 20. We should obey traffic rules. A traffic signal has 3 lights. Red light says stop, yellow light says slow down, green light says go. The light at the top is red. It stands for stop. The light in the middle is yellow. It stands for slow down. The light at the bottom is green. It stands for go. Some important traffic signs which we see on roads, and we must obey them to ensure safety on roads. Ambulance, danger, school ahead, go right, go left, no parking, stop, no entry, zebra crossing, horn prohibited, U-turn prohibited, bicycle crossing. We must walk on the left side of the road. We must not cross the railway line when the gates of the level crossing are closed. We should not stick an arm or a head out of a moving bus or a train. It is wrong to stand in the doorway of a moving bus. We should move when the traffic light is green. Page number 22, our national symbols. Our national flag, tricolor. Our national animal, tiger. National fruit, mango. Our national bird, peacock. Our national flower, lotus. Our national capital, Delhi. Our national tree, banyan. Page number 26, water. Water is essential for life. We see water in ponds, streams, lakes, rivers, waterfalls, seas, and oceans. Water on Earth exists in three major states: solid, ice; liquid, water; steam, gaseous. Clouds are also made up of tiny water droplets. We get fresh water from rain, glaciers, and lakes, etc. Water transport. When we need to go from one place to another, we need something to travel that we call transport. Generally, we use water transport only when we need to travel over water bodies like lake, sea, river, oceans, etc. Mainly three types of transport we generally use: land transport, air transport, and water transport. Look at this picture below and identify the water transport with the help of clue box. A boat you can live in. Houseboat. A light paddle boat. A light paddle boat. Cable. One man boat used by in units. Used by in units. Kayak. A flat bottomed boat used on rivers and canals. Barge. A light canal boat used in Venice. Gondola. Long, narrow Kashmiri boat. Long, narrow Kashmiri boat. Shikara. Small boat used in China and Japan. Sampan.